Google Gemini, Grok, and ChatGPT. 3 incredibly powerful AIs, millions of users, and one huge question. Which one is actually the best for you? All 3 claim to be smarter, faster, and more useful, but the truth is, they're built for very different things. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what each AI does best, where they fall short, and which one you should be using depending on what you need to get done, even if you're a total beginner. So let's start with a quick overview. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your go-to for writing, conversations, and everyday problem solving. It's like a versatile creative partner. Google Gemini is designed for deep research, getting fact-based answers, and integrating seamlessly with all of your Google tools. It's the researcher on your team. And then there's Grok. Grok is all about real-time information, social media trends, and giving you fast, unfiltered insights. It's your connection to what's happening right now. They're all powerful, but they are not interchangeable. Let's dive into ChatGPT first. This is where you go for anything related to content and productivity. It absolutely shines when you need to write emails, video scripts like this one, or social media posts. It's fantastic for brainstorming ideas when you feel stuck, and it can explain really complex topics in a simple way that just makes sense. It's also a powerhouse for planning tasks, organizing your schedule, and outlining your projects. So if you're a content creator, a freelancer, a student, or an entrepreneur, ChatGPT often feels like the most balanced and reliable assistant for your day-to-day work. In short, it's best for writing, learning, planning, and general creative use. Now, let's talk about Google Gemini. This AI is built around one core idea: information accuracy and deep research. Gemini is at its best when you need the most up-to-date information possible. It's great for getting fact-based answers, pulling specific data from across the web, and summarizing long articles or reports. But its real superpower is its connection to the Google ecosystem. Imagine getting help with an email right inside Gmail, or having an AI organize your data directly in a Google Sheet. If you live inside Google Docs, Gmail, and Google Search, Gemini is going to feel like a natural extension of your workflow. It's best for anyone doing research, search-heavy tasks, or who needs reliable, verifiable information. And finally, we have Grok. Grok is the wild card of the group. It's different because it's designed to tap into real-time data, especially from social platforms like X. It's built to understand trending topics, analyze market sentiment, and tell you what people are talking about right this second. It's known for giving fast, bold, and sometimes even witty responses. Grok is especially useful if your work depends on staying ahead of the curve. If you care about breaking news, what the market is feeling, or the latest viral trend, Grok is your tool. It's best for getting real-time insights and understanding the pulse of social conversations. So, after all that, which AI is truly the best? Here's the honest, no-hype answer. There is no single best AI for everyone. The question is wrong. It should be which AI is best for this specific task. Use ChatGPT if you want a powerful all-around productivity and creative assistant. Use Gemini if deep research, accuracy, and integration with Google tools matter most to you. And use Grok if you need real-time trends and fast insights from the social web. The smartest approach isn't to pick a side, it's to build a toolkit. The people who are really winning with AI aren't the ones who are loyal to just one platform. They're the ones who know exactly when to use ChatGPT, when to switch over to Gemini, and when to ask Grok for its unique perspective. AI isn't about choosing a team, it's about choosing the right tool for the job. If you want more simple, beginner-friendly AI comparisons, productivity tips, and a look at the tools that can help you work smarter, not harder, make sure you subscribe to Empowerment TV. Thanks for watching.